In this video, I'll show you how to record a voiceover in Premiere Pro. After you create a new project and a new sequence, down on the timeline you will see this microphone icon, right-click on that and go into Voiceover settings. Here make sure you have the right microphone selected that you want to use for a recording, both in source and input. In my case, that's analog 1+2 Focusrite USB audio. For you, it might say something else, so select yours. Then we have the option of pre-roll. This will give you a countdown timer before the recording starts so you can get yourself ready for it. You can adjust the amount of seconds or you can disable it by unchecking the icon. Then click close, and in order to start the recording, all you need to do is left click on the microphone icon. But before we do that, there is one important step to go through, and that is to go up to Edit, Preferences, Audio, and here make sure you check mute input during timeline recording. This will make sure that you do not hear yourself when recording the audio with a huge delay. Or if that's something you want, do not check that. We only need to do this once. Then click OK. Then click on the microphone icon and start the recording. Now, in order to stop the recording, press spacebar on a keyboard or click the stop icon. And there's our audio. And start the recording. Now, in order to stop the recording, press spacebar on a keyboard or click the stop icon.